Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best barbecue tool set for grilling, the Cuisinart Deluxe Grill Tool Set, a 20-piece collection designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, this set is built to cover all your grilling needs with professional-grade tools that are both practical and durable. Right out of the box, this set impresses with its complete range of accessories. Inside the sleek and sturdy aluminum carrying case, you'll find everything from a chef's spatula and grill tongs to a digital temperature fork equipped with an LED light and alarm system. The set also includes a silicone basting brush, multiple skewers, corn holders, and a heavy-duty grill cleaning brush with an extra replacement head. This means you can prep, cook, baste, serve, and clean up with all the tools you could ask for, all neatly organized and easy to transport. The chef's spatula stands out as a multifunctional tool. It features a perforated surface ideal for flipping food, a serrated edge that doubles as a knife for cutting, and even a built-in bottle opener, a handy addition when you're grilling outdoors. The grill tongs are crafted from durable stainless steel, designed for a firm grip to grab, flip, and serve your food precisely. Together, these tools make handling your barbecue effortless and efficient. One of the standout features is the digital temperature fork. Grilling the perfect steak or chicken is all about timing and temperature, and this tool takes the guesswork out of the process. With preset temperature alerts, a bright LED light for nighttime grilling, and an audible alarm, you'll always know exactly when your food has reached the ideal doneness, preventing overcooking and enhancing flavor. The cleaning brush included in the set is a professional-grade accessory with stiff bristles, perfect for scrubbing away residue and grease from your grill grates. Its long handle offers good leverage and keeps your hands safe from the heat during cleanup. Plus, the extra brush head ensures that your grill brush stays effective over time. All the tools are crafted from stainless steel, providing durability and easy maintenance. The handles combine stainless steel with silicone for a comfortable grip and heat resistance, which is crucial when working over high temperatures. While the tools themselves are not dishwasher safe, the stainless steel construction allows for simple hand cleaning that maintains their quality and appearance. The carrying case itself is not just practical but stylish and compact. Made from sturdy aluminum, it protects your tools during transport and storage, making it ideal for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or tailgate parties. Having all your essential grill accessories in one place means no more rummaging through drawers or losing pieces. In terms of size and weight, the set measures about 17.4 by 8.3 by 3.2 inches and weighs just over 2 pounds, making it portable without sacrificing robustness. The thoughtful organization inside the case ensures that every tool has its own secure spot, preventing damage and making setup and teardown quick and hassle-free. Overall, the Cuisinart Deluxe Grill Tool Set is a well-rounded package that combines quality, functionality, and convenience. It's suited for anyone who takes grilling seriously and wants a comprehensive toolkit to deliver consistent, delicious results. From the essential utensils to the high-tech digital fork and durable cleaning brush, this set equips you for just about every grilling challenge. If you're looking for a grilling tool set that offers professional features in a neatly packed, easy-to-carry case, the Cuisinart Deluxe 20-piece set is an excellent choice to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. Happy grilling!